This is often a JPEG 2000 image captured by CCTV systems. It's a specific stream format. You might need a specialized CCTV player to view the footage. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the security tape. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky AJP errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. The AJP extension identifies a specialized audio project format used by audio joiner software. These files act as a roadmap for combining multiple audio clips into a single file, storing the sequence of tracks, transitions, and timing information without modifying the original source audio files. AJP files are essentially XML or text-based instruction sets. They do not store raw audio data themselves. Instead, they reference external MP3 or WAV files. For a project to load correctly, all source media must remain in the file path specified when the project was originally saved. This AJP file is handled by the industry standard tool, proprietary CCTV software from Varies. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows gives a functional preview, but multi-track editing requires dedicated video tools. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the AJP file and select Open with Test Proprietary CCTV Software if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the AJP format uniquely. If the AJP file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, use audio joiner software. Open the file using the specific audio joiner software that created the project. Next, check dependencies. Ensure all original audio clips referenced by the project are present in the same location, folder they were in when the project was last saved. Finally, export to MP3 SARC WAV. Use the software's export function to render the project as a final MP3 or WAV audio file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.